Hello friends, I am Sunil sir and I am back with a new video. Friends, in this video I will be talking about venation. What is venation? Arrangement of veins and veinlets on the lamina or the surface of the leaf is called venation. The veins and the veinlets are responsible for conduction of water and mineral throughout the leaf. There are mainly two types of venation. One is called as reticulate venation, another one is called as parallel venation. The word reticulate means network. Reticulate venation is divided into two parts: pinnate, that is unicostate; palmate, that is multicostate. In multicostate, you have two types: convergent and divergent. What are these? We will see a bit later. Parallel venation is again divided into two parts: the pinnate, that is unicostate; palmate, multicostate. Multicostate is convergent and divergent. When I say reticulate venation means it shows the presence of network. Based on the number of midribs, there are different types. Reticulate venation is seen in all dicot plant and parallel venation is seen in all monocot plant. When there is one midrib present, it is unicostate pinnate. When there are many midribs present, they are called as multicostate. Same thing for parallel venation also. Now when I say pinnate unicostate, example is hibiscus mango. Now when I say palmate convergent means all the midrib will start at same point but they will meet also at same point. But in divergent, the midrib starts from the same point but they never meet at same point. Take a look in the diagram. When I say convergent, all the midribs starts from the same point and they all meet together. Then it is called as convergent reticulate venation. Example for convergent reticulate venation is Ziziphus, which is also called as Bayer. In divergent, they will start from same point but they will never meet at same point. That is called as divergent palmate reticulate venation. Example, cucurbita, papaya. Then we have pinnate having one midrib parallel venation, palmate many midribs. Here example is banana. When you look at the banana leaf, it has a single midrib with all veins and veinlets parallel to each other. And canna. When we talk about palmate multicostate convergent means all the veins, the midribs, they will arise from the same point and they will meet at same point. But they all are parallel to each other. So convergent is this, where they are parallel to each other, all the midribs, and they are meeting at one point. Example for this is bamboo leaf. Even we can have maize leaf. Divergent means they will arise from one point but they will never meet at one point. So it is called as divergent multicostate parallel venation. An example for divergent is palm tree or fan palm. Let's see the different types of leaf. Now in the nature there are two types of leaf. One you can say simple leaf, other one you can say compound leaf. Simple leaf means they have a single leaf blade. Lamina is present. Example, mango leaf, peepal leaf, papaya leaf. So look at this diagram. This is a very simple leaf. When I say compound leaf means the blade is divided into number of segments and there is no axillary bud present. There are two types of compound leaf, pinnate and palmate. When I say pinnate, the leaves is present on a common axis and that axis is called as rachis. This rachis will act as a midrib. Like this straight line is the midrib, which is rachis, and these are the leaflets. Example, gold mohair and cassia. When I say palmate, all leaves are attached at a common point to each other. So this arrangement is called as palmate leaf. Common point leaflet. Let's talk about the next one, that is the phyllotaxy. Most important topic. What is phyllotaxy? Arrangement of leaves on the stem and branches in a definite pattern is called as phyllotaxy. Phyllo means leaf, taxi means arrangement. So what is phyllotaxy? Arrangement of the leaf. There are three types of arrangement that we normally study: alternate phyllotaxy, opposite phyllotaxy, whorled or verticillate phyllotaxy. When I say alternate phyllotaxy means at each node there will be one leaf which is present laterally on stem. Example, mango, sunflower. In opposite phyllotaxy, at each node there will be two leaves in opposite directions. So two leaves are present at each node. In whorled or verticillate phyllotaxy, you will have more than two leaves at each node. So when I say opposite phyllotaxy, you can see in the diagram at one node two leaf, whorled or verticillate, on one node more than two leaf. So two leaves arises from each node in opposite direction. Opposite phyllotaxy is of two types. One is called as opposite decussate phyllotaxy. Other one is called as opposite superposed phyllotaxy. What do you mean by decussate? Decussate means one pair of leaf is placed at right angle to the other. Now this you will see in plants like Tulsi, Calotropis. Tulsi is called as ocimum. When we draw a diagram, look at this. The lower leaf, the upper is 90 degree. So each leaf is at 90 degree to previous one. Opposite superposed phyllotaxy means all pairs of leaves are arranged one above the other. Example, jamun, guava. So we have this one above the other. That is opposite superposed phyllotaxy. Then we have whorled or verticillate phyllotaxy where more than two leaves arise from each node. Example, nerium. Hope students you have understood venation and phyllotaxy in easy way. In next video I will be talking about modifications of leaves. Thank you very much.